Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can enhance all of your low quality images on CapCut PC. So go to, select the photos that you want to kind of enhance, for instance like this one, and then in basic you're just going to select the image enhancement button, and it will enhance the image to be a higher quality. As you can see, it may not work for every image, but it does work for some, like this. As you can see, sometimes it like doesn't make it, it doesn't like make it to that person. Here I'll show you, like on this one it's a little bit weird, but on the other photo it is accurate. But yeah, that is basically it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!